Okay, the third tense we are going to discuss is the future. Remember, we talked about the past and then the present and then past, and today we have the future. Just now we talk about the meaning of what of the future. And so we have three types according whether it has a meaning of prediction, it has a meaning of willingness, or it has a meaning of intention or planning. Today we are going to talk in the future in different perspective. That is from where we can get the future. In fact, we have some cases in which we use or we get the future. The first case through will or shall plus the verb. For example, I will meet my friend, for example, right now, or just I will meet. So the first case, or we shall attend a lecture. This is very easy for you, is that by using will or shall plus the verb in the base form. This we going to, for example, we can say they are going to buy, for example, a new house or building or whatever. So are going to buy. This is the second case. Again, see the difference between the first and the second one. Why? Because we said when we are talking about prior planning, we have to use what? We have used going to means something, or it has a meaning, so we use going to buy. Then it is possible to use the present simple in the future. For example, we can say the train, let's say, the train, arrives at midnight. So the train arrives. This is what the present simple, but because the midnight is still in the future, so it is possible to use the present simple for what? For the future. And mostly here, or it is significant and important to add what? To add an adverb to show that the time is still not coming. Or it is possible to use the present simple, the present progressive, to show or to mean the future. For example, we can say the bus is leaving, say for example, to Chicago, go at, let's say, 8 o'clock, for example, or let's say p.m. See, the bus is leaving. As you know what, is present progressive, continuous, because we have ing to the verb. But because the future, the time is still in the future, not coming, so it is possible to use, or it has a meaning of what? A meaning of the future, and not does not. So, but if we say the bus is leaving now, in this moment, in this case, it is what? It is a present continuous, and also it refers to the present. But if we say the bus is leaving to Chicago at 8 or 9, etc., means the time is still part of the future. That's why it has a meaning of what? Present. It has a meaning of future. Or it is using by this form, be could be is, are, etc., plus infinitive. For example, the exam is to be, for example, to be at 12, for example. The exam is to be, infinitive. The exam, this is the be, is, and to be is what? Is the infinitive. So the exam is to be, for example, at 12. Again, this has a meaning of what? Of a future. Suppose if we don't have to be, if we have the exam is like this, is hard, is say easy, in this case we do not, or it does not refer to the future, it refers to the present. But because we have is plus to be, in this case or this form refers to the future. Finally, we have be about to. For example, the car is about to, let's say, make an accident. The car is about what? To plus, of course, verb. The about to make. The car is about to make. And this is in Arabic, it has a meaning of, let's say, ala washak means. So if we say be about to means something is going to happen within very short time in the future. So these are, okay, just to remind you, in case of, this is number 5, be infinitive, we have 3 cases according to the meaning. The first one, we call it the arrangement, and the second one, we call it the command or order, and the third one, we call it contingent future. So contingent means conditional. So these are the 3 cases, either the arrangement, please, arrangement, or we say the command, or the contingent future. So I want you to check these cases. The other note, the other point is that here it is possible to add adverbs after what? After the verb to be. For example, the verb is likely or is, let's say, possibly. So it is possible to add what? To add adverb. And as you know, the adverb, if we have verb to be, it is possible to add it likely, unlikely, possibly, etc. These are the 2 points concerning the future cases. Still we have another point, which is they call it the future continuous. That is, we are going to explain when we talk about the future in the past. This is what I want to explain about the future.